Daniel, which gear do I need to use? Daniel, what gear number do I choose for a wheelie? After hearing these questions, I've decided that it's time I make a video about this fascinating, intriguing, yet intimidating topic. Gears. Gears on a bicycle are fun to play with, but they're also there for a reason. Climbs and descents. Let's start at the beginning. On the handlebars of your bike, you'll find this big fat doohickey thing on one or both sides. Each one is called a shifter. Your shifters control your derailleur at the rear of the bike, sometimes even at the front. If you saw my last video, you know I addressed this mechanism as a rear mech. It moves your chain along a set of cogs, which vary in size. They're sometimes numbered. It's these numbers that you might find in your shifter. I say you might find them because the more you pay for a bike, the less marking there is. My guess is that manufacturers know that experienced riders don't really need these numbers, and they pay more for their bikes, which are more advanced. But then that common question arises. How do you use them? Well, let's start off with climbs. By shifting into a low gear, you'll find it easier to climb slopes. But which one do you use? 1, 2, or 3, or even 4? The answer is fairly simple. It's your choice. You see, there's no particular number for any surface, so choose whichever gear feels most comfortable. If 3 hard, then just shift back to 2. Over a short time, you'll see that you always end up choosing that gear because it's not too hard or too slow on climbs. Similarly, on flat ground, there's no specific gear number. It's your choice. Over time, you'll gain experience with your gears, and you'll find that you don't even have to look at your shifter's display. It all just comes naturally. Do remember, on climbs, the lower the gear, the slower you go. You sacrifice speed for ease of pedaling. Soon, gravity makes it just as hard to pedal as the previous gear did. This is why you should try not to climb on too low a gear, and you can use higher gears to go faster. So the point is, there's no need at all to totally depend on the gear numbers. Just go with what you feel is right. Oh yes, and returning to my earlier question, you can use almost any mid to low gear to do a wheelie. The higher the gear, the longer the wheelie. The gear you find ideal may not seem ideal for someone else. It varies from rider to rider. Now I hope that you're all geared up about this topic. I hope you enjoyed today's ride, and I'll see you on the next one.